Hi guys, welcome to my first video. So this is called the NZDaytrading101 channel, and basically I'm just going to talk about a little bit of the different aspects of short-term trading in the New Zealand market. So just going to take you around. So today the first video I'll be doing is nice and simple, just to start off the YouTube channel, is how to buy shares and how to sell shares. Alright, let's get into it. So if you're with direct broking or ASP Securities or Sharesies, you would have a buy button. So for this example, I will be using direct broking. In order to buy a share, simply click on the buy button. Here we go, and then simply write a company that you like or shares of a company you want to buy. So for this example, I'm going to use Kathmandu. So after I've typed the company name, we want to see below that there's the ordinary shares here. So you always want to be trading a company's ordinary shares. So if you want to be investing or if you want to be trading them. So again, trading is my style. I don't long-term invest. Here we go. Cool. So you get to this screen here. So with me, the way I place a trade or the way I invest or size up my position, I like to do it in like a increment, $1,000 worth or $3,000 worth. So in order to do that, so let's give an example here. Kathmandu. So I want to buy $5,000 worth at 63 cents, but it's asking for quantity. So in order to figure out the quantity, we simply want to go 5,000 and we want to divide it by 63 cents. So this will give us a quantity of shares that you want to buy in order to get that $5,000 position. So with me, I personally like to round up my shares like 7,000, 8,000. So for here, I'll do 8,000. So I'll do 8,000 quantity here, and we're buying it at 63 cents, which is the current market price. And then we simply press continue, and then there you go. So around about $5,000 worth here. So now we know how to buy shares. Let's pretend, or let's say there's been like a week later, and you want to sell your shares at 70 cents. So to sell your position, you want to make sure you know how much the quantity of shares you bought. So for this one, it's 8,000. We bought it at 63 cents. So we go sell. So Kathmandu again. You can enter the ticker. So ticker is basically just the three-letter acronym for a company or the company's shares. Here we go. So we bought 8,000 shares, and we want to sell them at 70 cents because now we're pretending that it's a week later now, and it's gone up to 70 cents. And want to sell all our shares at the current, at whatever the price will be then. Cool. And here you can see that we bought it for around about 5,080 bucks or something like that, and it's gone up to, so now our settlement is 5,570. So from what's gone from your account, which is a 5,080, and you've given it a week, and now you've sold off your shares, and now you get back $5,570 into your account. So essentially you made about 500 bucks just in a week. And this is the type of trading that I like to do. I think it's very good being in cash at the end of the day or at the end of a few days. If you're investing long term, then you're subject to market fluctuations, as we've seen with this whole COVID-19 crisis. So if you have any questions or comments, just put it down below. I'll try my best to answer them. And please subscribe and like my video. So I definitely need subscribers because it keeps this channel alive and it keeps me motivated and doing more videos like this. So, and I really just want to help people out there just that they can get into another source of income. So thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for the next one.